Hey, it's Dominique. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Our topic is how to use marketing effectively. I'm so glad we're talking about this one. Marketing is one of the aspects that is so new to so many course creators and entrepreneurs out there. Who would have thunk, right? Who would have thunk that marketing is something that is a big chunk of what we do, right? Letting people know what we have and who we are. And it's huge. It's bigger than we ever thought. Okay. So, how to use marketing effectively. I remember starting out with my coaches a few years ago when it was all about just get on social media and post, uh, go live, go live with a group, and reach out to people who comment, right? Now, a lot of that is still done. However, there was no data behind it. There was no calculation or conversion information that we ever had to populate. And now, looking back, that was probably the faulty area that was missing in some of those coaching programs, because if you are commenting, if you are responding to people who comment in your posts, then what we know now as analytics, okay, analytics will give you a lot more information as to why they're commenting, what they're commenting about. Maybe it was the topic or it was what you said, right? It helps you fine tune what works and what doesn't. All right. So if you're going to use marketing effectively, it has to come with analytics. It has to be data driven. That is something that has gotten much more respect and much more, you know, of a scrutiny when it comes to your results. So in coaching programs that I've been in since, you cannot ask a question without first presenting your data table, your analytics. Okay, what do your analytics say? Because the analytics are written in such a way, they're tabulated in such a way that it gives you exactly what they're clicking on, why they're clicking, who they are, where they're from. It gives you all that information so that you can even the most popular to the least popular posts are right there for you in your analytics. So I was surprised by that because for my former coaches who never used analytics, we just, shot from the hip. We just went live or we posted and we just kept repeating the same cycle without looking at who or why we were getting attention in the first place. Okay, so that's just a quick aha for me in terms of like what it's been like, because I know that if I was kind of blindsided by the fact that analytics means it can really cut the learning curve, it can cut the trajectory, it can cut a lot of the hassle behind like what to do, what to post, right? So that's using marketing effectively. If you know what your audience is responding to, then you can just do more of the same. All right, rinse and repeat, as they say. All right, so thanks for joining me in this video. If you like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next one.